Today I'm going to talk about how to induce germination or roots into an avocado seed, and it is the simplest method in the world. I'm not joking, I'm really serious. As you can see, look at this. I've got an avocado seed. It is fully germinated and it has been germinated only in water, and that too in a bowl. I haven't done any circus with the kebab sticks and the toothpicks and then fighting with it to balance it in a glass of water. I haven't done any of that. I've just simply placed it in a shallow bowl like this, and I filled it up with water because this will allow only certain amount of water, and the pointy end will be, obviously it will be facing upwards and it won't tilt. So if it flips, it won't get the water the way it should be. So this is the simplest method that I came up with, and I'm so happy with it. So look, you can see how the growth has taken place. This is so good and it has grown very long. It's high time, although it is winter time and I should not be doing any of this, but I'm so desperate to put it in the soil, bag of soil. Let's see how it is done. These are the 2 bags. Can you please fill them up with that composted soil? Yeah, that one is fine. Halfway, eh? Yeah, you will have to put leaves. Leaves is the only way. You see, they put the holes in the very odd place. Cocoa leaf is okay. That should be enough. Yes, that's fine. I'll just put it aside. That's good.